going to spend the next 5 hours probably removing nails from the wall. When we purchased this house, I knew immediately that the pool house was going to need a lot of love. From the whitewashed walls to the plastic door and window covering, there was nothing redeeming about the original setup. However, the bones of the building seemed pretty solid. We started by clearing out the original decorations and random leftover objects. The building has been pretty neglected over the years. There's a lot of mold and rot and general deterioration. The awning that you see here will be removed. The main house has an offset butterfly or shed type roof, and I want to replicate that here to tie the pool house in a bit more to the property. The building is going to be completely gutted, but the rooms will remain in the same locations. As you can see, there is a roof leak that is causing some of the ceiling to rot, and because the building has been open to the elements, there's a lot of damage inside. As far as the plumbing is concerned, whoever built the building took the "we can just put the drainage through the walls" approach. All of that will be removed and replaced under the floor. The kitchen is going to be completely redesigned, and the entrance will be shifted to the right. The original building did not have AC or heat, and it was not fully enclosed. In the renovation, we will be making this into a guest/pool house, so it will have AC, heat, and hot water. The inside demolition was pretty straightforward. In each of the rooms, we started by removing the molding by using a small crowbar wedged between the molding and the wall. This allows me to pull on the crowbar and pop the nails out. We are using the same approach for the wall material, as it was installed using small nails instead of screws.
Another wall done.
Demo done.
Demo is not done.
You know, better safe than sorry.
Very safe, honey.
I feel like I need to explain a little here. All summer we saw scores of wasps heading into the ceiling of the building. We were convinced a swarm was waiting for us when we started pulling down the sidewalls. Spoiler alert, total wasp count ended up being 1. I was surprised, given the state of the building, about how strong this kitchen cabinet setup ended up being. It took a lot more effort than I was expecting to get this unit out. The piping that you see falling from the ceiling was going to an outdoor shower. The concept we will be keeping. The existing shower head and the 100 foot of tubing in the ceiling, we will not.
What do we need to get done still?
Everything. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Now I'm going to spend the next 5 hours probably removing nails from the wall. That wraps up our inside demo. This part of the renovation took approximately 26 hours, and total cost was $0, as we already had the tools we were using for the demolition. Next week, we'll be focusing on demoing the outside of the building. See you then!